Welcome back to Auto Octane, where we bring the thrill of the road straight to your screen. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting comebacks in the automotive world, the 2025 Honda S2000. The legend returns, and Honda hasn't held back. This isn't just a tribute to the iconic Roadster that stole hearts in the early 2000s, it's a complete reimagination. Sleek, aggressive, and undeniably modern, the 2025 S2000 carries the spirit of the original with a futuristic edge. It's lower, wider, and sharper, with a long hood and short rear deck that scream performance. Under that sculpted hood, Honda has equipped the new S2000 with a turbocharged 2.0-liter VTEC engine, rumored to push out around 330 horsepower. And yes, it's rear-wheel drive. The purists can take a breath, because the 6-speed manual gearbox is alive and well, giving enthusiasts the raw, connected driving experience they've been craving. Inside, the cabin strikes a balance between minimalism and cutting-edge tech. A fully digital instrument cluster, a floating touchscreen, and just the right amount of physical controls keep the driver at the center of everything. Honda's kept the cockpit tight and focused, it's all about the drive. The chassis is stiffer, lighter, and more responsive, thanks to advanced materials and refined engineering. Paired with adaptive suspension and precise steering, this car isn't just for straight-line thrills. It's built for corners, for mountain roads, and for making every drive feel like a track day. Honda hasn't officially announced pricing, but expect it to land in the $50,000 to $60,000 range, competitive, considering what it brings to the table. And while the market is shifting to EVs, Honda knows there's still a place for cars that connect you to the road, and to your passion for driving. The 2025 S2000 isn't just a car, it's a statement. A return to form. A bold move in a world dominated by screens and silence. This is Honda reminding us that driving can still be pure, loud, and exhilarating. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited for the S2000's return, and let us know in the comments. Would you daily it, track it, or just keep it in the garage as a modern classic? Subscribe for more automotive content, right here on Auto Octane.